I've set myself a challenge to get the nation cooking again. This week I've come up with a curry that even the real-life men behaving badly can do easily.
Sunday for us is just basically a day of slothing. We order pizza, open a beer, and just veg out for the whole day.
We basically haven't moved on from university. We're still eating extremely unhealthily.
We live in a house with, there's 5 of us, and we never eat together.
Gordon and Dave's culinary skills leave an awful lot to be desired. All I ever seem to see them eating is takeaway foods, that sort of thing.
I'm having to live with both of them, and nothing but pizzas and curries are just like a pain in the backside. And I think it's about time that they moved on.
If we don't make a change, I can imagine us still sitting on these couches in 20 years, single, still eating garbage, but weighing like 30 stone and just having the worst life possible.
Yeah.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Hi Gordon.
Nothing in you.
Hi.
This is...
I'm Dave, nice to meet you, Gordon.
Good to see you.
I am Gordon.
What in the fuck is that over there?
This is toast and patty with curry-flavoured super noodles.
So tell me about the noodles. What have you done to the...
You measure out half a pint of water and then you put the powdered sauce on top.
What a pile of shit. I don't think I'd feed that to my pigs, you know that? I've been in some fucking scary households in my time, but I've never, ever quite come across this. From a chef's point of view, let alone, girlfriend, position, work, that you should not be eating. I swear to God. I mean, because that is just like fucking, huh? Where's the fridge? Oh, my God. What is all that in there? Oh, fucking hell. Guys, there's no food in there. It's all beer.
There's some ham.
There's some...
Good for sandwiches. Well, it was. It's
3 weeks old.
Yeah.
Just have a wee smell.
Just have a wee smell.
Yeah, be careful you don't get fucking bitten.
Oh, yeah, that's not great.
Yeah, that's high. These yogurts are now 4.5 weeks out of date.
A freezer packed full of pizzas.
Yeah.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
When you come home at
Yeah.
night, do you eat this stuff pissed?
Yeah. You just basically eat anything that's in the house when we're drunk, so we just...
You're fucking disgusting. 2 disgusting pigs that are fucking hibernating in Clapham. Gentlemen, the first thing I'm going to do, before we touch anything else, is I want a good fucking clean-up. All the stuff that's out of date, Gordon, in the bin, yeah?
I'm going to bin it all.
Yeah. Pot noodle. Pot noodle. I think you can say goodbye to that. It's on its last legs, yeah? The Mexican chili.
It's like an old friend.
An old friend, yeah, get rid of it.
This little array of takeaway menus, you fuck without them, OK? Because they're going in there and they're staying in there, yeah? Yeah? Pieces. Look at Dave.
Now we've cleared out the crap, I want to buy some proper food that still appeals to the guys.
So this is a local parade of shops, right?
Yeah.
Here we go, this is one of our favourites.
This is one of our favourite...
That's one of your favourites?
Yeah.
It's very villagey. So when was the last time you were here? Hello.
Hi, guys.
What's the first thing you smell in here? What do you smell?
Spices.
Something that can't go off. So we'll think of things like turmeric, mustard seeds and fennel seeds. Lovely spices you've got.
How you doing? He does my kebabs.
He does your kebabs?
Yeah.
You serve him kebabs?
These people always come for the kebab. Sometimes 3 times, 4 times in a week.
That's a slight overreact. That's an
4 times a week, on top of the pizzas, the takeaway curries. Fuck me, we've got some work to do.
Yeah, no.
Right, we'll do something simple.
Cool.
Something that won't stress you out and something can be done quicker than ordering a takeaway. A very straightforward, easy Malaysian curry. We're going to make a curry paste.
Right, OK.
And the most exciting thing about this paste is that you can make it at the start of the week, use a bit of it, and just keep it in the fridge. It's there, ready, like butter. OK, Dave, I want you to peel the ginger. Gordon, I want you to cut the chilies in half. Garlic, lemongrass, and shallots. What we're going to do with these ingredients, we're not going to chop them all. We're just going to blend them into a paste.
Bung everything in a blender, add turmeric and blitz. Then add a drizzle of groundnut oil and blitz again.
Give it a little shake. And that's your paste. Okay. Put a little smell of that in there.
Oh, wow.
Get it all nice and hot.
Yeah.
And watch. A little bit in there. and start cooking that out.
Okay.
Now, once we start cooking off this paste, then we're going to slice the onions, put the onions in. Okay. Just look at the colour of that now. No. That's the little magic ingredient in there. Now, this is what it should be like at a weekend you guys cook. You know that? Yeah?
Yeah.
How does it feel to be cooking?
I'm actually really enjoying it. Really superb.
How are they doing those onions? Sweating down nicely?
Sweating down nicely, yeah.
See the way it's all starting to break down?
Yep.
That's ready now for the chicken. So, don't worry about burning your little fingers.
All right.
Yeah, on there like that, look. Down, okay, and start sweating the chicken down.
So you decide to keep them on the bone, Gordon, rather than keep them off?
The reason why I'm going to keep them on the bone, okay, is as it's cooking, I don't want the chicken drying out. Coconut milk in, please.
Okay.
Take your time.
Full whack.
Then add a tin of coconut milk, followed by some stock, spices, and soy sauce.
Now, one thing I haven't seen in here is anything sort of slightly healthy. So the curry's going to be finished with some green beans.
All right, okay.
We're going to finish it with green beans, but hey, you can finish it with spinach, you can put broccoli in there, you can put cauliflower in there, you can put potatoes in there at the end, but you've got to start eating a little bit fucking healthier.
Yeah.
How could you compare that in your fridge, standing next to that fucking roll of furry, sticky, stinky fucking ham?
I'm embarrassed about that.
I'd be fucking embarrassed.
I was embarrassed at the beginning about that. This has made me even more embarrassed.
Just in case.
How's it going?
Here we go. Look at that.
Oh, awesome.
That smells amazing. And it's not a number 59. I can tell I'm living with it.
We'll go for a beer.
You good? That's the healthiest food you've eaten in what? Quite delicious.
Decades.
For me, the most important message is for you guys to keep it up. Because you can slip back into your old ways.
No, not at all.
And you're going to have a fucking pot belly bigger than my fucking pig in the back. It's so nice to see you around the table. Guys, can you do me a favour? And stay around the table. Yeah?
Cheers, guys.
And stay off the fucking telephone ordering shit.
Yeah. Guys,
Good health.
seriously, guys, let's do this more often.